Hi, I'm Theron Young, owner of Legacy Plumbing. I started this company many years ago because I thought that I could do it better. I worked for a lot of people. Some I learned a lot of great things from, some I learned a lot of not so great things from. And I really wanted to make a company that was someplace I wanted to work. You know, I had the dream for years, and I started out, walking door to door, handing out flyers in Plano, Texas. In the middle of July, I walked for days. I worked that whole first year without a paycheck. My main thought was, if I can just get in somebody's house and I can show them the quality of work that I do, the way I take care of their home, I knew they'd call me back, and they have, and they continue to.
Been doing this my whole life. 23 years I've been a plumber. I've worked for probably 15 companies in 23 years. I've always been a great plumber, but since I've come to Legacy, I look at myself as the best plumber.
When I found Legacy, I found owners who are engaged in their employees and the work that they do and in their lives. It's one of the big reasons why I stayed here is the small town feel, the small, close-knit community that we have.
I'll never go anywhere else. I've worked for many plumbing companies over my 26, 27 years. When I came here, I never thought about leaving at that point. I mean, it's always been my home and always will be.
We have so many great plumbers, but it's not that they're great plumbers, it's that they're great people. They are hardworking, they have hustle, they have grit, they care about one another, they lift one another up, they share their experiences. They are just there. And to be real honest with you, you're not gonna find that just anywhere. That is our values lived out after hours.
The reason you would come to Legacy is because you have working owners. They are a phenomenal team. Knowing the perfection that they desire and the lives that they want to change, Legacy will take care of you.
I couldn't be prouder of the team that we have, and we are looking for guys that want to join a team like that.